Yo guys, what is up? Chili Moose is back. Listen, first off, a lot of great comments on my last video of the snowblower. So I've took all of your suggestions. I am prepared today. I got the hat, I got the Under Armour, I got the warm socks, I also got the boots. Big shout out to Joe from Cabela's. Thank you for hooking me up. All right, guys, this is today, January 29th. We're back at it. Back at it again. We got the blizzard of 2022. So let's go out there. I took all of your advice. Let's see how we make out. Guys, so quick tip. I keep the cars at the bottom of the driveway. The reason for that is I realized when I keep them up here at the top of the driveway, when I back out, it crushes the snow, creates like a little ice patch there. Very hard to get off with the snowblower. So, you know, I keep them at the bottom of the driveway. That way, when you back out, you're already out on the street. And then this front part here, once we go through it with the snowblower, it'll be nice and clean. So let me show you what we got. We have a lot of drift sections. You see the patio there. So I got to do that with I'll do that with the shovel. You know, the little walkway with the shovel. There's a lot of drift areas here. I don't know. I really don't know how much snow we got. It's still coming down. Right now it's about like 12 o'clock in the afternoon. The forecast calls for more snow up until like 3 or 4. But this right now is very powdery, very light, very fluffy. We're gonna see how the snowblower does with that, all right? Real quick, so here are the updates on the machine. Like I said, I received a lot of comments, a lot of good suggestions, you know, a lot of encouraging, positive feedback. So check this out. I found this guy here. I don't know if that's legible, but either way, it's Blaster silicone lube, silicone lubricant. You could pick this up at your local auto parts store. Very good. It makes the metal surfaces nice and slick so that snow doesn't stick. Again, we have the 3-stage snowblower by Cub Cadet, 30 inches. This is the heavy duty version. This is the model right before it turns into industrial. So I went ahead and I lubed up all these parts. And guys, guess what else I found? Check this out. Bam! This is the switch for the handle, the heaters for the handles. All right. I didn't do anything else. I didn't adjust the cables or anything. It's just, you know, like I said, just put some gas in it, pull that cord or plug it in and hit the electric start, and we'll see how she does. Hey guys, so unfortunately the camera fell on me, but it's a great opportunity to stop for a second and show you guys what we have so far. So like about right here, we have about 1.5 feet, maybe just a foot, like a foot to 1.5 feet of snow from the drift. And then over here we have a couple inches, like maybe like 4 to 5 inches. So I'm gonna set up another camera angle so you guys can see the snowblower in action. Now, one thing to note is, unfortunately, the speed in reverse is like really slow. And I think they do that for safety reasons so that you don't slip and fall on your way back. But let's take a look on this side. So it happened again. The shear pin busted. Now, one of the comments was that they sell stronger shear pins. So let me show you what we got over here. So here we go. This is the shear pin, but we lost the one back here. Yeah, there you go, you see? So, again, great opportunity to show you guys how easy it is to switch these guys out. So let me grab one. So you come over here to the back of the machine, and I have extra pins right here. I'll take this one here. All right. So these are like, hold on a second. Let me put the phone down for a second. All right, guys, so these pins, I don't know, they're made out of like brass or something, but either way, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. Good thing being that if the shear pin breaks early enough, it's not gonna damage any of the internals over here. But like you guys see, just with light powdered snow, these things are busting off. So and the way I realized that I busted a pin was, as you can see behind me, it was struggling to push that snow. So I knew that only one of these guys was working. So again, it is what it is. This is an honest review. Now let me show you how we replace this pin. So we have the pin here in hand. We just go here, put it in the hole, rotate until it catches. Hold on, let me set up the tripod. All right, I think this will work better. Now I got both hands free to work with. There you go. So you see it pop through, and then you just put this clip on there. All right, and we're ready to go. Now this silicone that I sprayed on there is very slippery. You can see that no snow has accumulated on these. So I'm liking it. So there you have it, folks. You can see the driveway is half done. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with moving the cars and then doing that area, but you get an idea. Hey, listen, guys, I love the feedback. Let me know what you guys think. You know, give me your pointers. So some of the pointers that I took was, you know, to set these little riders here at the width of a pencil. I did that. I sprayed the silicone inside. I love it. It works so much better. There's not a lot of snow accumulated in there. Whereas before, if you take a look at the old video, you'll see a lot of the snow accumulated inside there. I also sprayed in the chute all this with that silicone. Again, I didn't adjust the cables. I took a lower speed. You know, there was like mixed comments saying like, you know, too much speed or you know, not enough. So I lowered it. Works well. I like it. The hand grips now work because Somebody told me, say, hey, they said, genius, it's right here, the switch. I should have read the manual. But listen, guys, love you guys. Let me know what you think. Chili Moose, peace.